Hi, Unbox Norway. Here we have Moon Knight, the complete first season on 4K Steelbook. It has Dolby Atmos on the 4K disc. On the Blu-ray it's Master Audio 5.1. Aspect ratio is 239. Runtime is 287 minutes. So let's open it up. Take a look inside. Just slipped. There we go. It's a matte finish. Spine, Moon Knight Season 1, Blu-ray disc. Back sides. There are these art cards. Nothing on the back. Three of them. Got some kind of disc art. That's the 4K disc. Episode 1 to 3. There's the second. Here are the Blu-ray discs. Blu-ray is blue. Second one. Got some inside art, if you can see it. Hard to see. Yes, Moon Knight on 4K. If you're into collecting steelbooks, 4Ks, Blu-rays, steelbooks, please subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.